good? What's up? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It is a wash day, but unfortunately I did not record a dramatic wash day for you today, but I record them all the time. So if you're new here, you have to subscribe for your girl. I am trying to get to 10K by the end of this year, and I feel like I just need to say that out loud for it to be true. So help me out, subscribe if you're already subscribed. What's up, my gang? Today, we are cutting the hair. We are not cutting the hair because by the thumbnail, I said we are not cutting the hair. We are trimming the hair because trims are needed. Trims are absolutely necessary. Unlike a lot of people I know, a lot of people in my life, a lot of people I see on Instagram, YouTube, I do not go to hairstylists anymore for trims. Not to say that I'm not gonna ever go in the future, but I just haven't in years. And it's that time again, so come with me to cut my hair, even though it was hot in this bathroom, child. Like, I was burning up. I took a hot shower, I have deep conditioner on my hair, and it was just a lot going on, but I was like, I gotta get this done. I was gonna get my boyfriend to help me part my hair like evenly, but he was asleep. So I was like, you know what? I don't even really care. We just gonna go in with the scissors, which low-key just sounds very impulsive, but I have become so comfortable with trimming my hair / cutting my hair / shaping my hair. Second thing, I do not straighten my hair. I haven't straightened my hair in a minute. Of course, I've been thinking about it because what curly hair doesn't think about straightening their hair from time to time, if not every single day? But I don't wear my hair straight on a regular basis, so I feel comfortable giving myself a trim, a cut, or a shape up with my curly hair because the curls, they kind of help you hide it just a little bit. Not to say I give myself any crazy janky haircuts, because I don't. Okay, it's still some order and organization to it, but like I said, like, I could have parted it better. You can see my parts are just, hey. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend this to just anybody, and then at the same time I would recommend this to anybody, because if I can do it, you can do it. The more you do it, the more comfortable you're going to get. I purposely did not want to edit a lot of this footage just so you can see what I'm actually doing. Like, there's just no editing, just turn on the film. This is what I do. Brush the hair, look at the hair, cut the hair. I'm trying to get some length this year. Like, I just feel like I've been at this shoulder length hair for a minute, even though I think that's my hair playing imposter syndrome, because it's clearly past my shoulders. It's just, you know, that curly, that shrinkage, it just gets me every time. But regardless, I'm trying to have longer hair by the end of this year, so it's very, very easy for me to get scissor happy. So I had to, like, intentionally, consciously tell myself, okay, we're just trimming, we're gonna even it out, we're gonna trim it, and that's it, Jazz. Like, because I want to see some length by the end of this year, some real true growth and length. And I wholeheartedly 100% believe that I can do that, because my hair has flourished in ways that I have never ever seen it flourish, specifically with having other people do my hair. Actually, nah, when my mommy was doing my hair was growing. When I was wearing them pigtails with the grease, my hair was growing. But ever since then, it has not. And I have never had a relaxer. The only damage I had, which was really, really bad, extreme heat damage. My hair was not curling at all. I didn't even think my hair could curl. And that was when I was going to a hair salon every 2 weeks, getting my hair straightened. And in between that, I was straightening my hair every morning before school. So just heat on top of heat on top of heat, chat. And since I started my curly journey, not only did I take a big step away from, you know, them videos where they take that big step back from the bedroom to the sidewalk on the other side of the street, that type of step back from heat, I also started doing weekly wash days. I started doing wash and goes. I started getting into products. I started washing my hair by myself, and I stopped seeing hairstylists. The last time I seen a hairstylist was, I think, 2 years ago. I even made a whole video talking about how sad I was, how short my hair got. You just gotta go watch the video. If you've watched that video, you have to let me know in the comments, because I just cannot believe people are watching my videos. I don't know. It's not clicking. The analytics is just, it's not enough proof for me. So you gotta let me know. And then before that experience, I didn't see a hairstylist for a minute. Like, I just took my hair into my own hands, and I love it here. And also I just want to add, like, sometimes I do part my hair further than these 4 sections, but I really was just trying to keep it mad simple. Like, and that's one thing I've learned when learning to do my hair. Like, it can be as simple as you want it to be. And just doing the 4 sections was, you know, that was my thing today. Like I said, it was 100 degrees in this bathroom. So I wasn't trying to rush, but like, I was like, you know, we got to do this before I'm just over it for sure. And while I am just giving myself a trim, I am also shaping it up a bit. You might notice I'm cutting a bit more in the front just because I like that layered look, a little shorter in the front. Not a bang, because I just don't think bangs look right on your girl. Now, some curly girls really can pull off that curly bang look, but I'm just not one of them. I just like that layered kind of fit around my face type of haircut type of girl. And one way I know, like, okay, it's time for me to shape up my hair, because I just feel like a haircut is different than a hair trim, and that's different from shaping your hair, even though shaping your hair can kind of fall into a haircut. I know it's time for me to shape it up a bit more when the front of my hair is just so long that it literally changes my face shape, to the point where I'm like, my hair looks weird. Like, it just looks boxy. I've done a couple of these haircut trim shape ups on my channel, and I say the same thing every time. Like, I don't like this boxy shape, so I need to bring some more layers, dimension to it by doing this layered type of cut. And it's kind of the same every time. I do like to cut my hair like in this state. I've tried cutting it dry, and I feel like I've cut too much doing it that way. And also, if it's like soaking wet, well, my hair it's just not gonna stay soaking wet. Like, that's just not gonna happen. Like, I just feel like with the deep conditioner, it's just so look how long, oh my gosh. But with the deep conditioner, and I want my hair to be this long, but I want to be able to keep the shape that I like. And that's what I want, okay? And with trims, like, just trust your hair is gonna grow back. It's gonna grow back, and it's going to grow back even better. I feel like my ADHD just kind of took over there, and I'm just hopping from one topic to another, but I really hope you're staying staying with me. Back to keeping it real simple. One of the reasons I wanted to make this channel talking about my hair journey, I just wanted to show how attainable and uncomplicated it has to be. I remember finally committing to myself and to my hair, like, okay, I'm gonna actually take care of my hair. I want to have healthy hair, and just all the advice that is online and how overwhelming that can be. And coming from a person that, you know, it takes me a minute to learn a new habit, just like everyone else. And when I want to start something new, you know, it takes a minute for me to do that. Learning how to do it, it was just a journey that a journey I'm still on, but a journey that I just really loved, and I want more girls to experience. Like, I love that I am doing this. Like, a couple years ago, to think my hair is this thick, oh my gosh, like, not only is it growing, not only is it curly, but this is the thickest I've ever seen my hair. This is the healthiest I've ever seen my hair. And to say that's because of me, because I built a routine and I stuck to it. What? And not only do I want to inspire the next girl or inspire my little sisters, I'm inspiring myself, because on this journey of still trying to find myself, just, you know, building this woman that I want to be, it's inspirational to myself to know, like, you know what, I did that tough thing before, like, I can do this tough thing now. Okay, I'm gonna get off my soapbox now. Back to this hair. Another thing I really love about trims, once you give yourself a trim, the curls are gonna pop. Okay, the hair loves a trim. You just gotta make sure that you're taking care of it. Make sure you're adding the products that it needs, the whatever, you know, your hair loves, like some real creamy conditioner. That's why I really like leaving my deep conditioner on my hair as well, because I feel like it's keeping it conditioned, and then I go on with the rest of my curly routine. One thing I did notice, especially watching this video back, the back of my hair looks so flat and weighed down, and I think some hairs in the back might still need a bit of a trim. And there are some other tips and tricks that I've done before to really give my like full head some, you know, layers, because I feel like the back is missing some layers. And I actually noticed that once I finished my wash and go. But I might just do it later, okay? I'm really not trying to cut too much this year. I'm not trying to cut off some length that I don't really need to. So that was my trim. I think I cut off a couple of inches, and this is me going in again. And again, I had to say, put the scissors down. That's enough before you before we do this wash and go, and then you come back and it's short and you like, what happened? Listen. You have to come back for next week's video, because I have a bomb wash and go that I really, really want you to see. I feel like this wash and go was good, but there's something that I've been low-key missing with my wash and goes lately, and I found out what that was. But that's next video. So another reason why you need to be subscribed if you're not subscribed. If you are wondering what this wash and go combo is though, I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna have the products in the description box for you. And yeah, that was it for the cut. This is the wash and go. These are the results. You have to give me a big thumbs up. The view I appreciate, but I would very, very, very much appreciate a like on this video. The wash and go is eating, but it's not eating like the one in the next video that you're gonna come back and watch. The back looks really good though. This was the back. I was a little scared the way it was looking after that deep conditioner, but the back looked good. And I appreciate you so much for watching until the end. I'm sending you love, peace, and happiness. And until next time, deuces.